If you don't like the way that time has changed your skin, now there's something you can do about it, and it's called Ultherapy.
I am thrilled that I did the Ultherapy treatment. When I looked in the mirror after the procedure, it was almost shocking to me. I will say, though, that I noticed immediately the results. I went back to work right after the procedure, and one of the girls who sits near me said, "Did you get a nap at lunch?"
Initially, and it was almost instantly, there was honestly this lifted, smoother, tighter feeling to my skin and the way I looked. I had great lift on my eyelids.
I am over 50 years old currently, and every year I have the same thought. I want to be 50 and fabulous. I want to be the best me that I can be at the age I am today. And I also want to do it with non-surgical intervention. So when Ultherapy hit the market, I did my research, and I thought, if this treatment works, this is exactly what I need.
Christie, Brinkley has something that she would like to offer the world, how to look like her.
Can we put that on our Christmas list this year?
Yeah, that would be
really
great.
Nice. The iconic supermodel is all about sharing the beauty wealth.
Christie, even admitting to me, she isn't afraid to get a little help.
You know what? Like, who couldn't use a little tightening, a little, I'm gonna give it a go.
She's a fabulous 63 years old and not shy about sharing her high-tech beauty tips.
I just think it's so crazy that women feel like they have to feel guilty about taking good care of themselves, And if they want to go to the dermatologist and get a little, fluff and buff, you know what? Why should they feel like I have to sneak in the back door? There's something. No.
Christie's had Ultherapy on her neck and décolletage. The non-invasive ultrasound treatment claims to tighten and lift the skin. Kim and Kourtney Kardashian have also had it done.
I definitely need neck tightening.
I'm doing
like
that
I'm
now.
obsessed.
You really only have to do this treatment like maybe once a year, once every 18 months.
The beauty mogul has her own skincare line and also credits her vegetarian diet and exercise as her keys to good health.
Hey guys, award season is right around the corner. I'm going to show you the top treatment celebrities are using to get red carpet ready. This is my baby. This is the Mac Daddy of the office. As we age, our collagen bands get a little weak and loose. What this does is it stimulates new collagen growth to help tighten up that lax skin. And the only way to achieve that is to actually injure them a little so they go into repair mode. We're going to push in all this energy via ultrasound. These are the top treatments to get celebrities red carpet ready.
It's the daily ritual of the modern-day tribe we know as millennials. Head down, thumbs tapping, attention limited. This habit, which has become standard protocol in the digital age, is leading many to show signs of early aging. The so-called tech neck, defined by rings on the neck and a puffy look of a double chin caused by looking down too often, is a trend that's on the rise, according to Manhattan-based dermatologist Dr. Julie Risek.
It's relatively recent. When the early 20s, patients is coming in and asking me about the rings on the necks or the lines on the necks. We've never had that before.
Ultherapy, another non-invasive neck lift, uses ultrasound energy to smooth and lift the skin.
It's not exclusive to women because men are very concerned with their neck and very concerned with their jawline. Men actually respond very, very well to the Ultherapy.
If you like what you see, you can learn more by speaking to one of the Ultherapy specialists right here in the office.